I got the golden ratchet. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I got a golden ratchet for my Father's Day. Yes, I have the icon from Harbor Fright. Golden 24 karat plated ratchet. The real thing. I have now to blow the horns when I request the royal tool. Bring out the golden ratchet. We now have the golden tool. With the golden rule.
I think that medication I got's got you going.
Shut the fuck up. Beautiful, high quality. This thing is worth its weight in gold. It is heavy hell. Wouldn't you agree, Camera Maestro?
It's got some weight to it, yeah. There you go.
Well, you might go to the ratchet if I have to steal it from you. Alright, folks. Go get your own golden ratchet. They'll be trying to steal through the screen. You can't get it. Goodbye. You get the fuck out of here. Like